Welcome to our podcast. In this episode, celebrating IAITH's 30th anniversary, we'll be discussing the founding of the company.
In the 90s, people started to think in more strategic terms about language use in general and the vitality of language within their geographic regions.
We'll be exploring the company's development over the years. It's fair to say, IAITH's, let's say, second decade was a very busy decade. All the political change, all the development in terms of the field of language planning and policy, and we'll be considering what the future has in store.
So I think the future looks rosy. I think both for IAITH and hopefully as well for the Welsh language and other regional and minority languages throughout the world.